This video quickly explains how to record yourself while going through a PowerPoint. Throughout this year, we'll have some presentations that will require you recording yourself, and this is one way to do it. Now, if you are unsure of how to do this efficiently or what programs to use, PowerPoint is one of the probably easiest ones to use. Now, for this, I will use Guns in the USA as an example. But the most important thing is that you follow the steps where I click and what I do. Now, this is on a Mac, so it might look slightly different if you've got a Microsoft computer or if you use Windows, but the layout on all of these is pretty much the same. So the first thing you need to do is click here, Lysbilde fremvisning. And then it says here, and the image looks like this, that this is to record. Now, mind you that I am in the desktop version. So it might be that this doesn't work if you're on an online version. So make sure you go from and through the desktop one. So once you're in your desktop version, Lysbilde fremvisning, and you click on this button here. Now, if I click here, you get several options. Here you can pick whether you would like a camera or not, but as said earlier, I would like you to use a camera just so I can see your hands and I can see your body language, facial expressions, because that's a big part of languages as well. Now the only thing then that you need to do is you just click on the big red button, and here you start. It counts down for you, so that might help a little bit. And then you start practicing, or you just start speaking instantly if you have practiced before. Now up here you can see times. So here you can start with, I am going to talk about gun laws in English-speaking countries. Click on the next slide, keep on going. But up here you can see how much time you've used per a specific slide. Up here you can see the total time used. Now mind you that you need to be within the time limit that is set for this assignment, so check how much time you have got. So you can go through these different ones, talk about them freely, check the time whether you're still on schedule, you keep on going, and you can have notes here if you would like to. So notes, the things that you are going to talk about could be there, might be smart to put in. And you keep put them in here if you feel like it. You could do that now, or you could have done beforehand. Now when you're done, click on the stop button and it is all saved. If I now go out of this, you can see that there's a picture of me down there. And it's on all the slides that I have gone through. Now you can watch this per slide, or for yourself, you can go here. And you can both hear yourself talking and see what you've done, if you want to check this. You could delete one slide if you're not exactly happy with that one slide, but don't be too hung up. It is probably good enough. Let's see. There we go. So once this is done, make sure that it's saved either up here, or you check this yourself and make sure that you have saved it. So save a copy or just save it at all. Then you can go to It's Learning and upload this file in the assignment. And then you're about done. Good luck.